This truck is a pedestrian-operated warehouse machine. You can see it's designed to work indoors because of the wheels, which I'll show you in a minute, rather than having big soft tyres. Bizarrely, for some reason, though this truck is smaller than a counterbalance truck, a sit-on machine, most warehouse equipment is rated at a load centre of 600 millimetres, so that's a 1.2 metre deep load. Generally, because this type of truck originated and was most popular in Europe, where they handle Euro pallets, which are 1200 mil deep. But in the UK, our normal pallet handling dimension is 1 metre deep. That's probably why the difference has arisen. This pedestrian-operated machine has a platform on the back which you can ride on, side guards which you can flip up. It looks, to all intents and purposes, like a normal stacker truck where the forks lift up and down, and where you have support legs at the front like you do on a normal stacker machine. The problem we have in this country is with powered stackers is that we're quite used to handling UK pallets, which have bottom board on them. And where you have support legs, or where the forks wrap over the support legs that stay on the ground, when you lift the forks up, it'll split the pallet in two. So you can either have a counterbalance truck, which we've talked about earlier, or you can have something like this, or a pedestrian counterbalance truck, where you take the support legs out of the equation. Now on this truck, you have a reach mechanism. So this is actually a pedestrian operated reach truck. So you can reach the mast right forward and out of the way of the support legs. So you're then able to lift, and just like a normal forklift truck, you're not going to split the pallet in two or separate the pallet. So that's the purpose of this truck. You can then retract the load back in when you're travelling around above the support legs, and working quite a narrow aisle if you're working in pallet racking and you want to put the loads away into pallet racking. So this truck is capable of handling Euro pallets and UK pallets, which is a bit rare when you come to powered stacking equipment. The other thing you'll notice is all of these trucks, powered pallet trucks, reach trucks, stackers, anything that's pedestrian operated, has a banded polyurethane wheel or tyre. That's on the drive and on the support legs. That means that these trucks are not designed to work outdoors. So if you take them outside, even on rippled concrete, you'll soon start to experience issues with the wheels breaking up, and it can affect the electrics and the components within the truck. They get their capacity from being very rigid and hard on the floor. So counterbalance truck, where you've got a softer tyre for working outdoors, can move around a bit. These trucks are designed to be rigid, so there isn't any benching or anything within the wheel and setup assembly.